had this whole plan, just nothing quite went the way that I wanted it to go.
I don't know, I feel like I'm watching a mouse or a gerbil in like a cage, like running through all the little tubes. And
you're here for moral support because this is crazy.
I'll try and catch you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Power Shift Factory. Got a couple problems going on. Just got to get in there and get some stuff fixed since it's my daily driver. As you can see, I got a little bit of an oil leak here on the Supercoupe. I'm thinking that it is the oil cooler gasket. So I got a new one and a new oil filter and some fresh oil. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. Now to get this oil cooler off, all we need to do is take this big, I guess, bolt, you call it, that runs through the center that the oil filter mounts on. Just unscrew it, the sucker should come loose, and then we should be able to change that little gasket. Only put filters on hand tight. Don't need to go crazy with this stuff, guys. Alright, let's see what's going on under here. Causing that awful noise. Well, there's a problem. Yeah, that'd be the problem right there. Ah, this one's stuck. I was wrong. This one's the problem. Not this one. This one's got a torn bit. This one don't slide. Man, that looks not so good. Not so good. Let's go take this over to the workbench and see what the heck we can do on it. Agree with the impact here.
So this is what ghost hunting feels like.
So what is this? What ghost hunting feels like?
Where are you going?
Going up. Going up. What do you think I'm doing?
I didn't even realize there was a room back there.
Yeah, there's a compressor back here.
I see that.
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel like I'm watching a mouse or a gerbil in like a cage. Like running through all the little tubes and platforms and such. Oops. Yeah, don't fall.
That was just a block of wood, Jesse. Just chill out. We're here for moral support because this is crazy.
I'll try and catch you. I was actually hoping to refresh my coffee, but I seem to be in a very precarious position right now.
Probably.
I mean, look at it this way. If you do fall, it'll be on me, and it'll get really good footage from this camera.
Okay. I want to throw it so much, but I don't want to break it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it not going to jump off later?
No. No. That's a happy little caliper. It's a happy little caliper now.
Is your leg supposed to bend that way?
No. I mean, I was hoping that I would just put my feet down there and then just kind of slither on down, but clearly stuff's hitting my back, so it's not exactly working. So I'll just go down and around like this. Yeah, it was going to be like multiple days to get the part from the parts store.
So instead, just risk your life and get it tonight.
Well, I have it, and you know, I saved some money, right? Because this shit's free, right? If it's mine.
How's your legs?
What?
Was it worth it?
Well, we'll find out, because this one's kind of fucked up too. So I just think it's less fucked up than the one that snapped on my car.
It's like a dying cow or something.
Yeah, I know.
That looks safe.
Well, I just need to get some pressure on it to pull it up. I got 4 cans of brake cleaner. I used them all.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, see, look, it's coming. This is working. Oh, yeah. Bam. Look at it. Look at it. I know what I'm doing. I don't want that one. That one's, it's like so fucked up. It's like all gouged up and shit. I don't want that fucking one. I'm not gonna use it. This has not been the most fun turn. Whatever.
It's okay. Like, 10 years from now, you'll look back on this and laugh.
Probably. Sounds like it. Left-hand thread. I don't have a ton of money right now, but I do have a spare Thunderbird IRS at my dad's shop. Resurfaced the rotors, and this is what they look like. I think they look pretty darn good. So we got that, and a little vent here of caliper pins, soaking in some brake clean, get all the gunk off of these guys. At least smooth to the touch. So this should work just fine. All cleaned up. Let's move on to the caliper brackets here. Get these guys all cleaned up and ready to go. Important to clean right here. The brake pad slide. Yep, brake clean will find any small cut you have on your hand. It will remind you. It will remind you where it is and how much it hurts. From what I understand, you don't want to lube the entire shaft here, just most of it. I just want to put some anti-seize on your wheel hub. Good to go. Put that back on there. Before I put this in, I'm going to put a little bit of silicone on these points here, and silicone grease, I should say. This is silicone grease, not like silicone, RTV silicone. That would be very bad to put here. All right. Just barely fits. Time to throw some brake pads in here. Brake light, so should be good to go. Brakes are working real good. Feels great. No issues with the brakes there.